Hello, I'm currently in my garage and I'm working on the Sony OLED TV. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so this is our Sony TV OLED one. Here's our main board. Here's our power supply board. And underneath is the T-con board. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to find the problem, because this TV has got no picture, but it's got a sound. As we know, OLED TV doesn't have backlights. It illuminates itself. So we need to figure it out what is wrong with it. Maybe the motherboard, or maybe the power supply board, or maybe the T-con board. Alright, first I'm going to try if the motherboard is good. So I'm going to plug the power. And I'm going to press the power button. I'm going to watch my screen. Alright, delayed, but we can see the picture on my external monitor. So the problem is not the motherboard. The problem is T-con board, maybe the power supply board, or maybe the screen itself. Alright, so what's going now? Yes, we got it. And yes, we can hear the sound. So I need to figure it out. What can be wrong? Can I fix it? We will see. And this is my TV workshop in my garage. I know, it's a big mess, but I will sort it out. Here is a new project for me, my Amiga 500. When I was a kid, I had this computer, and I'm going to fix it because it's got the problem with the floppy disk drive. And under this hairdryer, we've got two PlayStations 1. And I'm going to install the mod chip on it. So I know it's a messy here, but you will see the difference after 1 month, because I'm going to make this place perfect. See ya.